Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting power and access ready. Charge the Bose QC Ultra above 1/2, then remove them from the case so they can enter pairing. On your laptop, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. You need discoverability. Once done, press and hold the earbuds power or Bluetooth button until the LED blinks rapidly. This forces pairing mode. This step makes the earbuds advertise themselves so your laptop can see and connect to them. You now perform the laptop side pairing. Click Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. Watch the list. Select Bose QC Ultra when it appears because picking the right device avoids false connections. If Windows prompts for a PIN, confirm or enter 0000, rarely needed, but be ready. After you accept any prompts, Windows shows a connecting status. Make sure it finishes and reports connected. This confirms the audio profile is active, so don't start apps until you see that connected indicator. Then test sound immediately. Finish by ensuring the QC Ultra is the default playback device. Open Sound Settings, choose Bose QC Ultra for output and communication. If audio stutters or pairing fails, make sure your laptop's Bluetooth driver is up to date, update via Device Manager, then restart. If problems persist, reset the earbuds. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until lights cycle, return them to pairing mode, and repeat the steps. This reset clears cached pairings and resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.